Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to revive this picture to become this sailing or the floating huge ship in the ocean like this. Isn't that cool, right? So you can transform this picture into this animation, and don't worry because this is 100% for free and super easy. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use here is the Meta AI, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And don't worry because this Meta AI also very accessible into your smartphone or even the tab. And if you would like to access it, then don't forget to do the login first, whether that from the Facebook or Instagram account. Well, basically this Meta AI can be your life companion in your device. Let's say to create the animation or video from the prompt or from the picture, and also create the or generate the regular image. You can also add something in general, for example. And if you scroll down, you'll find the animation that has been made by a lot of users. Isn't that cool and super realistic, right? So let's get started to create the floating in the ocean animation. Here I will start to click this add media and more or plus over here and click add media. And for example, I will start to upload the picture of a ship. For example, this one. And after that, you can start to put your simple prompt into this section. And if you would like to add more detail, it will be way better, because it will also change, let's say, the vibe or maybe the angle. And for example, this is the prompt. Since I would like to revive it, create the animation of this ship and make the ship floating on the ocean during the sunrise. For example, like this. And after that, you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the result. And usually it will give you one result over here. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before to revive this picture to become this animation, guys. And for the video animation itself, it will be created or it will have the 5 seconds duration. And if you would like to add the music, you can click this one. And you can choose the several music that has been provided by this Meta AI. And if you like this animation, then you can start to download it by clicking this button. And this will be the result too. So that's all guys, don't forget to explore more with this Meta AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.